In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort tasks in Todoist quickly and easily so you can organize your projects, filters, and views exactly the way you want. If your task list is getting crowded, sorting is one of the fastest ways to bring order to your workflow and make sure the most important tasks stand out. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and go to the project, filter, or view that you want to sort. This is important because sorting applies to the list you're currently working in, so make sure you're in the right place before changing anything. Once you're inside the list, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the view icon, which usually looks like 3 sliders or lines. Click that icon to open the display options for your current view. In this menu, find and click Sort. This is where Todoist lets you control the order of your tasks. After clicking Sort, you'll see several sorting options you can choose from. If you want your tasks arranged by name, select Alphabetical. This is useful when you want to scan a long list in a clean, organized order. If you want Todoist to prioritize deadlines, choose Due Date. This is a great option when you want the tasks with the nearest deadlines to appear first. If you want to focus on urgency, select Priority. This helps bring your most important tasks to the top so you can work on them first. And if you want to see the newest tasks first or review tasks in the order they were added, choose Date Created. This is especially helpful when you're tracking what was recently added to a project. As soon as you select one of these options, Todoist will automatically sort the list for you. You do not need to refresh anything or manually drag tasks around. The change happens instantly, which makes it super easy to test different sorting methods until you find the one that works best for your workflow. A quick tip here, different views can be sorted differently, so if you manage multiple projects or filters, you can customize each one based on how you actually use it. That means you can keep one project sorted by due date while another stays alphabetical, depending on what helps you work faster. If you ever want to change the order again, just go back to the view icon, open sort, and pick a new option. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a huge difference in how manageable your tasks feel. And that's it. Now you know how to sort tasks in Todoist using alphabetical order, due date, priority, or date created. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more Todoist tips and productivity walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.